Next, I will go to the dropdown and then go to Products. Here, you'll see all the product page templates. I will go to the default template. This is the template that is assigned to all of the store products. We have the product image on the left and then basic product info at the right. Right below that, you'll see more detailed info about the product. Next, we have some other products that are similar to the main product. And lastly, we have some other basic info, which has nothing to do with the product, but I want to add more sections to this page. For example, I want to add a product bundle, which will encourage people to buy more products. I also want to add a product review section, which will build trust with the customers, which will eventually lead to more sales. But first, I want to remove this recommended product section from here. So I will select it and then delete it from the page. And I will remove this featured promotion section too, as it is not adding much value in the page. Alright, now if we go to Add Section option and then search for products, we will get all the sections that are relevant for the product page. First, I will add the product bundles. Here, we can add similar products together, and if people decide to buy the entire set, they'll get some discount. Editing this section is very easy. You only need to change the heading. Maybe something like frequently bought together would be great. Next, we need to add an image here. For now, I will add one of my product image. But ideally, we should add an image that showcases all the products of this bundle. You can create those images in Canva or Kittl. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see 3 product options right below the product bundle section. Simply click on the product option and then select a product on the right sidebar. As soon as we did that, the product appeared in the product bundle. Now we need to repeat the same thing with the other 2 product options, and then you'll see your product bundle like this. And now your customers will be able to buy these products together. Now, another section that I want to add in this page is the testimonial section. This will help us to build trust with the visitors. I have already shown you how to customize this section, so simply follow the steps to set up this section. Lastly, I want to add the recommended products section once again. This is an important section, but it is suitable for the bottom side of the page. Alright, our product page design is complete now. Now we only need to preview the design in mobile view. And we need to make sure that everything is perfectly optimized. You see, more than 50% of e-commerce sales happens through mobile devices. So we need to make sure that the store is looking perfect in the mobile view. And once you are happy with the design, simply click on this Save button to save all the progress. Next, if you go to the dropdown and then go to Products, you'll see a lot of product page templates here. Just like other premium themes, Minimog theme also offers some pre-made templates for the product page. Every template is a little bit different from another, and you can make changes to them if you want to.